Good morning, students. Welcome to our social study class. So, you know where we live in? Yes, we live in, our state is West Bengal. West Bengal is our state, we live in West Bengal. So, where is West Bengal? Do you know? Yes, West Bengal is in India. West Bengal is a state which is a part of India. India is our country. That's why we are called Indians, isn't it? Okay. And do you know where is India located in? No. India is located, always remember that. India is located in the continent Asia. India is located in Asia. Asia is a continent. And where is Asia located in? Asia located in the Earth. In our Earth. Our mother planet is Earth. Earth is our planet. And where Earth is located? Yes, solar system. And solar system, a part of space, unending space. That is never-ending space. Part of solar system is part of never-ending space. So, as I told you before, that the subject which tells us about our planet Earth, that is called geography. And it is a part of the subject, this subject, social studies. Geography is a part of the subject, social studies. So today we learn about our mother planet Earth, its miniature form, globe and maps which represents the picture of our Earth. Okay. So firstly I am telling you about the globe. So globe like this. Can you see it? It's a globe. So, this is our globe. It is a miniature form of our mother planet Earth. Okay? So, you know that the word globe comes from the Latin word globus, meaning sphere. Look, we all know that our Earth is round in shape. It is called sphere. But it is not total round in shape. You know, the top and bottom of our Earth is slightly flattened. Okay? And to the center of this globe, we can see this. This is called axis. It goes to the center of the total globe or the total Earth. There is an axis. It goes to the center of the Earth. A globe shows the oceans here in the color blue, with the color blue, here it shows the oceans, and the colorful here, it all are land parts. A globe shows the oceans, seas, continents, countries, rivers, cities, etc. on our Earth. So, you always remember, this is the fact that Martin Behem, a German map maker, made the earliest globe around 1490. Okay? So, you all know that in solar system, Earth is the only planet where life exists. And why here life exists? Because there is water. 2/3 part of our Earth is filled with water. 2/3 part of our Earth is covered with water. And the rest, what is the rest? 1/3. 1/3 is land. As our Earth is almost covered by water, from the space it looks blue. It looks as blue color. So that it is called, our planet Earth is called blue planet. Now I am going to tell you about maps. What are maps? On a globe, we can see all the continents and oceans. But as it is roundish in shape, we can't have a total look of the Earth. So we need map, which is a visual representation of the Earth's surface drawn on a flat base. So what is map? It is a visual representation of the Earth's surface drawn on a flat base. It's like it. This is a map. drawn on all the continents and oceans drawn on a flat base. This is called map. This is globe and this is map. Okay. Now I'll show you the continents on the map. Okay. So this is a map of our mother planet Earth. This is world's map. Okay. So here we can see all the continents and oceans. So what is called continents? You know what are continents? The large land masses on the earth. These are large land masses on the earth that are surrounded by water. This blue color shows us water body. Okay. These are called continents. The large land masses on the earth that are surrounded by water on all sides are called continents. There are 7 continents in all. There, look, Asia, the largest continent, Europe, Asia and Europe, here Africa, here Australia, South America and North America, and here is Antarctica. So all are 7: North America, South America, Antarctica, Africa, Europe, Asia and Australia. Firstly, I'm going to tell you about Asia. Here it is Asia. Asia is the largest continent. You can see that it is the largest continent of the world. It occupies 1/3 of the land area on Earth. Half of the world's population lives in Asia. As it is the largest continent, half of the world's population lives in Asia. Next, Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. The Mediterranean Sea separates Africa from the continent of Europe. This is Mediterranean Sea. You can see it is Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea separates Africa from Europe. The Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. It is Red Sea. Look, this is Red Sea, blue colored Red Sea between Africa and Asia. This is blue colored Red Sea. Okay, Red Sea, the Suez Canal is here. The Africa and Europe is connected through this Suez Canal. It connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. The Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. And you know this is a man-made canal. And the largest desert, Sahara Desert, lies here in Africa. And the longest river Nile, from here to here, the longest river Nile, both are found in Africa. Largest desert Sahara and longest river Nile. Okay. Next, I'm telling you about North America. This is North America. It is the 3rd largest continent. This land was discovered by Christopher Columbus. During an expedition, he discovered this land. USA and Canada are 2 important countries of this continent. Here, in the mainland, USA and Canada, 2 important countries. The southern part of North America, southern part of North America is called Central America. Okay? And you know, the Isthmus of Panama, here it is. The Isthmus of Panama links North America and South America. This Isthmus of Panama joins North America with South America. Next, I am telling you South America. South America lies in the south of North America. And you know, world's largest river Amazon flows here. World's largest river Amazon flows here. Amazon rainforest is also very famous rainforest. Next, I'll tell you about Europe. Europe is a small continent, but it has many countries. Some of the world's most advanced countries can be found here. Just look, all the countries are separated from each other, but Europe and Asia shares a common land. The land is common. But here Ural Mountain and Caspian Sea. It is Caspian Sea. Ural Mountain and Caspian Sea separate these two continents, Europe and Asia. In between Europe and Asia, there is Ural Mountain and Caspian Sea. Now, it is turn of Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. It is called island continent. As it is a island, it is called island continent. New Zealand here. New Zealand is also a part of this continent. And Great Barrier Reef lies here. Great Barrier Reef, it is a coral mountain. It is an important physical feature and tourist attraction too. Now, I am telling you about Antarctica. Antarctica, here it is Antarctica. Total South Pole, there is Antarctica in the South Pole. It is discovered in 1819. It is also called White Continent or Frozen Desert because large parts of it always remain frozen. It is the windiest, driest and iciest part of the earth. So it has no permanent human habitation. Some countries have set up research stations here in Antarctica. The Indian research stations here are called Dakshin Gangotri and Maitri. Here I am showing you the total look of Antarctica. It is total look of Antarctica. Antarctica looks like that from the South Pole. Okay, it is Antarctica. Now I am telling you about the oceans. Okay. So, what are oceans? The large water body that separate the countries are called oceans. The 2/3 of total of our earth, total of our earth is water body. These are called oceans. There are 5 oceans on the earth. 5 oceans on the earth. The oceans are the Pacific Ocean, here the Pacific Ocean, here Atlantic Ocean, here Indian Ocean, here and next Arctic Ocean in a northern part and the southern part, Southern Ocean. It is also called Antarctic Ocean as it is surround Antarctica, the southernmost continent. It is also called Antarctic Ocean. Okay. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest and deepest ocean. Mariana Trench, world's deepest trench, lies in this ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean for trade and commerce. Atlantic Ocean between North and South America, left part and right part, Africa and Europe. In between that, this is Atlantic Ocean. Next, the Indian Ocean here, southern part of India. It is called Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean which named after a country. So we should be proud of it. That Indian Ocean is named after our country, India. Bay of Bengal, it is Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea here. Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea is a part of it. The Southern or Antarctic Ocean surrounds Antarctica. You can see it surrounds Antarctica, which remain frozen throughout the year. This ocean is also remain frozen throughout the year as the continent is. Okay. And the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean towards North Pole. It has also remained frozen throughout the year. So, we learn about the continents and ocean. The continents: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. And the oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay? So, that's all for today. Always remember, whenever you study this subject, then please study with the help of this map and globe. Okay? So, till the next class, bye.